Blaster Premium Silicone Garage Door Lubricant is formulated with Teflon fluoropolymer to help reduce friction and wear. Used on most garage door mechanisms, including door tracks, chains, rollers, springs, cables, and gears. It leaves a tack-free film that won't accumulate dust and dirt and quiets noisy operation. Also great to use on any overhead door, and in some instances, extreme pressure agents make it a suitable replacement for grease. Blaster Garage Door Lubricant provides long-lasting lubrication and protection. Blaster Premium Silicone Garage Door Lubricant